Cover up. Inside. Change your hand.
Push up.
Everyone. Do in proper way. Many are not doing nicely.
Nice face.
Shoulder must be up. Everyone. Side. Up. Up. Side. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now everyone get it for next answer. Get ready, sing together. Louder also. Start. And score up. Inside. And stop. Inside. And stop. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now everyone get it for high school song. Start. inside, inside, up, side, down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. As time for delivery speech, I'd like to call the speakers.
Hi everyone, good morning to you all. Respected principals or vice principals or teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all wish me also Thaba from grade 6 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of technology. Before starting this speech, I like to thank the initiative of Anupam Vidyasadan, which helps to increase confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this. Technology is a way to do all faster and using device. It's called technology. It has two types. They are simple technology and modern technology. Simple technology is a simple technology is a simple technology is using simple tools called simple technology. For example, Zato, all clouds, etc. Modern technology is a way to do work easy and faster than simple tools. It's called modern technology. For example, mobile, computer, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to everyone. To respected Vice Principal Sir, Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me, Tenzin Bomsan, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of the importance of education in our daily life. Before starting my speech, I would like to thank the ECA committee of Anupam Vidyasadan for organizing this type of program which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now, without wasting our time, I would like to start my topic. Importance of education. Education is the light that removes the darkness of ignorance and makes our future brighter. It helps us gain knowledge. And create a better character of ourselves. Education is not just about passing exam. It is about learning different things. An educated person can get many opportunities in life. They can help they can contribute to their society and their nation. In short, education is the key to success and a bright future. So we should all respect and value education. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hands to the right, outside, inside, up, inside, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Cover up, side, up, side, up, left. Louder, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, Attention. Let's cover up. Side. Stretch your hand. Up. Side. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Okay, so to provide some information, let's welcome our Vice Principal sir on the stage. Put your hands together to welcome him.
Thank you very much, Cornell sir. Good morning, everybody. So, at first we are going to honor the winners of Katha Lekhan Pratiyogita 2082. I would like to request our beauty chairman to provide the gifts, prizes. Let me welcome on the stage the coordinators of the program, Bharati ma'am and Anita miss, to put Khada to their respective levels. And let me welcome on the stage Santosha to put Tika. All right. Now I'm going to announce the rank holders in the event. Junior level, third. Do you have any idea? The title of the story, Amako Maya. Who wrote Amako Maya? Please come on the stage. The person forgot. Rima Kotayat from grade 6. Congratulations. Rima, congratulations to you. Okay, now second. Who has written the story? देश बदल्ने सोचमा नारीको महत्व. Please come on the stage. Priyanka Rawat. Please over here. Congratulations. Second in. Okay. Rima Katayat third. Priyanka Rawat second. Now first one. Okay, third was from class 6. Second from class 5. Now first one is from class 4. Descending order. Who is the first rank holder in Nepali Katha Lekhan Pratiyogita? Do you have any idea? Rita Nepali. Novi Kisan. Congratulations. So, here all winners are the girls. Boys just have to try yourself. Now let's move on to senior level. Senior level, third. Third is from grade 7. Story is titled Chhaya Nadiko Rahasya. Please welcome her on the stage. None other than Aditi Devkota. Give a big round of applause. Congratulations, Aditi. Okay. Now, second. Okay. Third was from grade 7. Second from grade 8. Name, title was किसान र छोराहरू. बुद्धिमानी किसान र 3 छोराहरू. अनुजा थापा. Congratulations, Anuja. Okay. Congratulations to those rank holders in ECA of current week, which was held on Monday. Now let me announce and welcome on the stage first rank holder. Do you have any guess? First rank holder is from grade 8. Pranil, did you take part or not? Did you take part or not? Sometimes you just tell the name, the candidate who has not taken part. What a miracle. Without taking part in the event, winners. Not possible. Okay, Childra Kachua. Who wrote the story Childra Kachua? Namika Dhungana from grade 8. Congratulations. So they were the winners of Nepali Katha Lekhan Pratiyogita 2082. Congratulations to everybody. So you have done great job. And this is the stage where the student who has done something new, something special, they will come here. On 29th of Bhadra, many students are going to come here because they are going to perform their talents. They have to show their talents, their dances, songs, what they have got. So that is your day. So be prepared. And 2 days after that program, you have got your second term exam. For that also you have to prepare well. Practice, practice and practice. Don't copy from others. Just understand and express yourself. So tomorrow, it's a holiday. Manage time for self-cleanliness and manage time for practicing. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Together. Dinam, why are you quite passive? Reactive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Prayan, Krishna. Prayan, be active. What are you doing? The Prayan Krishna, how is he clapping? Because sir, will you take that Prayan? How is he clapping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. It is asked to clap. So clapping also has got some rules and regulations. Follow them. So this is the time of season change. So you have to focus on hygienic food. I can see some of the students are absent. Those who are present, some of them are quite sick also. Suffering from fever, diarrhea. It's because of unhygienic food. So don't focus on street food. Either bring homemade tasty food or you eat canteen's super tasty food. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. March time. Okay. Banwaka House boys, move forward. Kondal House boys, move forward.